Welcome, dear students. Now I'm coming to the next class of seed, that is certified seed. As you know, this is the seed which is provided to the farmers, which is being sold to the farmers for growing the crops. This is the final stage of seed which is sold in the market to the farmers for growing the crops. So if you see, this is a progeny of foundation seed. I wish to say here that in case of stress, you can say, or inavailability of proper quantity of seed, one can go for breeder seed stage 1 and then breeder seed stage 2. But in general, the breeder seed is produced by the nucleus seed and foundation seed is produced by the breeder seed. But in case of stress or more demand, then one can go for breeder seed production of stage 2 by using breeder seed stage 1. Similarly, in such situation, the foundation seed stage 1 and foundation seed stage 2 can be done. That foundation seed stage 2 can be produced by using the seed of foundation stage 1. Similarly, in certified seed also, that can be done. In Seed Act, now the provision is there, but proper approval has to be taken for doing so by the state seed certification agency for producing the stage 1 and stage 2 of breeder seed, foundation seed and certified seed. So of course, in normal way, I'm saying that for producing the certified seed, you are using foundation seed. So it comes under seed chain. The variety must be notified, as in case of foundation seed, must be notified by the government of India. Seed certification is must by the state seed certification agency. It is also produced by the National Seed Corporation, the State Seed Corporation, the private agencies, the progressive farmers, agricultural universities, state agricultural farms, etc. But for producing the certified seed, the seed grower has to get them registered by the state seed certification agency. And at the time of registration, state seed certification agency would like to see the quantity of foundation seed you have for producing the certified seed. Accordingly, they will register yourself as a certified seed grower, and then they will visit, as in case of foundation seed, they have visited at different stages before starting the sowing. Field standard they have to see, then they have to see the crop standard, they have to monitor at different stages as they have visited in foundation seed. Then they have to visit at processing time, at packing time, then seed samples are taken and then seed samples are judged. So here the minimum, if you see, and if they are meeting the minimum standard, seed standard, then they are approving the seed lot and they are providing the tag, certified seed tag, to the seed growers, and then it is coming in different packets with all description on bags, new bags, as well as everything is described on the tags. So if you see the specification of the certified seed tag, it is also 15 into 7.5 centimeter square. The color of the tag is azure blue, and the institution, everything is like that. Sound foundation seed, as you have seen in the foundation certifieds. Now you have to put accordingly the certified seed. Then here you see the pure seed minimum percentage should be 98%. Inert matter should be maximum to 2%. Genetic purity is little bit lower than the foundation seed, where you are having 99.5%. Here it is permissible. The minimum genetic purity should be 99%. Then moisture content, as in case of foundation seed, then net seed weight, whatever you are providing in the bag. Then the signature of the seed certifying agency, they have to put the seal. Then it has to be mentioned like poison treated. So this is all about certified seed, and this seed is being sold to the farmers for growing the crops. So now I'll be coming to next seed stage in my next video. So thanking you very much